Happy Mother's Day weekend. We're here live at Magic Hair Company wig store located here in Culver City, California. We have just a few left of our shampoo and conditioner combo here. I think we have less than 5. We are completely out of our curl defining amplifier, and we should be back in stock of that in about a month. So we just wanted to show you guys some of the beautiful wigs that we do have in store and ready to ship. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And just a reminder, we do have gift cards available. So if you don't know what to get your mother for Mother's Day, or your wife or your girlfriend, get her a gift card from Magic Hair Company. We do have a few bundles in stock here. We have some deep body wave bundles here. We have some kinky straight bundles as well as kinky straight clip-ins. And of course, we have our deep body wave front lace wigs here. We do have natural color as well as jet black. Here at Magic Hair Company, we do custom color here in store. Here are some wigs that are ready for pickup. These clients allow us to maintain their wigs. We wash, deep condition, and style those for our clients on a regular basis. Here are some of our beautiful wigs that are ready to go. This one we call Ariel. Okay, it's telling me to rotate my phone. Okay, this one right here we call Ariel. It's like an Ariel Little Mermaid red, as opposed to this over here, which is like a deep red. We have some burgundy deep red. Here is our very popular kinky straight texture. We do have some kinky straight U parts ready to go. Here's some Mother's Day wigs ready to go. So I know this client is watching here, but your wig is ready to go. We just styled it for you. Again, we do have gift cards available at magichaircompany.com. So if you are looking for the perfect gift to get somebody for Mother's Day, get them a gift card from Magic Hair Company. It does not expire. They can use it at any time. We do have some beautiful kinky curly wigs here, as well as with our braided wigs. There's the wigs that I just showed you just a moment ago. We are open here in our Culver City store from 10:30 to 6 p.m. Monday through Saturday. So if you are looking for a custom Glueless wig store that you can walk into, try on a wig, and leave with something new and a whole new look, come shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. Not only will you get to have a one-on-one custom color consultation, but you also will be able to try on the wigs and make sure that your wig gets just the perfect fit. So here are some of our wigs that we have in stock. As you can see, we have our beautiful deep red and our 12-inch kinky curly here. This whole row is filled with our kinky curly wigs right here. So all of this is kinky curly deep wave. Here we have some silky straight, some body wave. Here we have some of our shorter wigs here, and we do have some short surprises coming this week. We're doing some styling right here, and definitely check out our product line. These wigs that are down here are in the process of coloring, but these are just some of the wigs that we have in store and available right now. So if you need something for the weekend, we are here and open at Magic Hair Company. We do currently prefer that you make an appointment. So to make an appointment, just go to our website, magichaircompany.com, utilize the chat feature, and say, hey, my name's whatever, and let us know when you'd like to come in. We do just currently ask for an appointment so that way we can make sure that the station is clean and organized and we don't have too many people in at one time. So I'm only going to be on here for a quick moment. Let me know if there's anything you want me to stop and show you very quickly. Here's some of our short blondes. We do have some shorter bobs coming up this week. As you can see, we have some 10-inch straights here. We have a kinky straight here. We have some blonde highlights and color going on here. This we put a little wand curl in. These are just in their natural state right here. If you're new to shopping with us, all of our wigs have a 3-digit unit number right here. So this is wig number 510. So if you like her, that is how you can find her at magichaircompany.com. This is a front lace 12-inch curly wig, very popular, unit number 5'10". As you can see, you can change the part and the hairline on a lot of our wigs. Here's some of our highlight of our ombre parting highlights. This is a silky straight wig. We just put a nice curl in. This one over here, we're doing some styling on. We do style wigs here in store. We'll cut those bangs for you. We'll trim some layers. We'll style it just how you want. Styling is included. If you want some highlights, some ombre, some color, we can do that for you here at Magic Hair Company. We're located here in Culver City, California, right outside of LAX. We are in LA County. You can try on your wigs. If you have a specific shade of purple that you have in mind, screenshot it and we can duplicate that here at Magic Hair Company, whether it's blue, green, purple, red. Check out our collection at magichaircompany.com. That's the only place that you can find our wigs. They're not available on Amazon or any other third-party website. Magichaircompany.com is the only place that you can find our wigs, and here, of course, in our Culver City store. We do offer wig styling and maintenance. Definitely check out our hair care product line. We have beautiful deep body wave curly hair. It's really, really soft, easy to maintain. The perfect thing to maintain it is our hydrating curl definer and amplifier, which we're currently out of, but we will be getting more soon. So subscribe to our newsletter so that way you don't miss any of our updates, sales, or specials that we have going on. Again, we're located here in Culver City, California, USA. We can customize the color for you, customize the length, density, texture. Come on in. Whether you're new to wearing wigs or you have been wearing wigs for years, we have the perfect wig for you. I have been in this industry for 10 plus years, and I really do have the best quality. So come on in, come shop with us. We're here open Monday through Saturday from 10:30 to 6 p.m. This is our kinky straight right here. You see how soft it is? This is our kinky straight after being colored right there. So that one is a custom red with some bangs. If you like more information on her unit number is 752. Go to magichaircompany.com, where we currently have free domestic shipping. We do ship internationally, and we have in-store pickup available. All right, guys, well, I'm getting off today. I'm just showing you some of the wigs that we have currently right now. We're currently having our Mother's Day sale online and in-store. There is no coupon needed. Come shop with us here in store. And don't forget, you can definitely get your mom a gift card from Magic Hair Company. That is the perfect gift, especially if you're last minute and forgot to get your mom a gift. Just get her a gift card from Magic Hair Company. We're located in Culver City, California. She can use it online or in store. All right, guys, love you. Check us out at magichaircompany.com, where we're changing lives one custom wig at a time. Bye.